What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video we're going to be showing you some of my car collection that is on this custom wooden shelf that I've built. And the reason why I'm doing this isn't really for a purpose to show my collection. It's more because what we're going to do is we're going to clean the ones we have on here, and then we put stain on this, so the stain smell got on the bottom of the cars. So we'll just wipe them off so that they don't smell like that anymore, and then we're going to line it with paper and then put them all back down there. But we're actually going to swap it up. We're going to put some new 2023 cars on there. We're going to load this thing up with premiums. We're going to do a whole bunch of cool things. Just stay tuned for that, but just hopefully you guys will enjoy it. So now let's start individually cleaning all these off. I'm obviously not going to show every single one being cleaned, but I will show some certain cars while I'm doing this. So hopefully we could get a time lapse going, see how that works. And when we're done cleaning them, we will show you some highlights from last year, and then we'll move on to rearranging it with new premiums and 2023 cars. Alright guys, we're done with the very first shelf. We're going to wipe it down and line it with paper so that we can put some more Hot Wheels on it. But first we're going to finish these two shelves, and then we'll do some highlights on the cars that were on there. Alright, well here's just some highlights from that top shelf. We have McLaren F1 GTRs, a whole bunch of them. I'm missing some. Obviously I'm not going to really be able to have the whole set because some of them are like $500. Here we have two McLaren F1s that look exactly the same, but this one's the mainline, this one's the premium. Then we have some premiums, Fast and Furious R33s. We have this Boulevard Koenigsegg that's worth a lot right now. We have all of these premiums, and then we have, I don't know, I just picked a random mainline of Super from last year because we had all the mainline of Supers. Acura NSX, and then here we have a Lamborghini Sian, and then we have a McLaren Elva. So there's the highlights from the top shelf. We'll move on to the middle shelf. Alright guys, so the second shelf had a lot of JDM on it. So you can see we have Supra from Fast and Furious, we have R34 from Fast and Furious, we have MX3, R33s, everything imaginable there. This is not even close to half of my JDM cars, but these were just the ones that were on display. It also had these three random cars, Tesla, Firebird, and a trailer. And then it had all these supercars on it. GT3 RS, Veneno, Senna, SV, what was it, Murcielago SV? Yeah. Speedtail, Zonda R, whole bunch of really cool stuff on there. We're gonna move on to the final shelf, and then the exciting part will be putting on the new cars. Alright, so the first shelf, this is not all the stuff that was on the first shelf, this is most of it. Second shelf, we have the whole thing here, and the third shelf, we could barely squeeze in here. Yeah, there's a lot to it. There's a lot of trucks on this one. Square body Chevys, Nissan hard body, that one can carry that little trailer back there. R35s, LaFerraris, Tacomas, Rams, Broncos, Lamborghinis, more JDM, just has a ton. The DeLorean, this little Tacoma that has the removable back. And actually they're releasing another Tacoma this year, white with these like chrome blue rims, and it looks so clean. So I'm excited for that. McLaren P1, this my friend gifted me, Tesla Roadster, Jeep Cherokee, whole bunch of stuff. But yeah, that was the shelf unloading and cleaning, because I had to wipe down every single one of these. Now we actually get to the somewhat fun part of putting what I want on the shelf, and I'll show you guys what we got. So there we go, we have the shelf lined with paper, and ready to put our new cars on there. So let's get to it. Alright, so starting with the top, we're going to be putting our premiums up there, and it's not going to be in any order because we could have JDM premiums, regular premiums, we could have a whole bunch of stuff. So here we're just going to start off with the R30 Liberty Walk, and we're going to add R34 Liberty Walk. We're going to add our Mercedes 300 SL Premium from Jay Leno's Garage. We're going to add our S13 from Team Transport Set. The BMW M3 E46 from the AutoStrat set. We're going to add this, what is it? I think an old Plymouth. Yeah, an old Plymouth from a Target exclusive 2-pack of premiums. And the Dodge Coronet came with that. Then we're going to add this Fast and Furious 69 Camaro. We have another Fast and Furious wide body Hellcat SRT Charger. It's actually one of my favorites there. Here we have a Lexus RCF from a 2-pack of premiums that came with the Pandem BRZ. We got another car from the AutoStrat set, the Volvo. We have our premium Toyota Land Cruiser from the Fast and Furious set. We have something from the Track Day, I think it was. Track Day big set with the bus. There's a Lamborghini Essenza. Then we have my favorite, as you guys know, McLaren F1 GTR Golf livery. And then we have this premium Combi that has a Green Lantern design on it. And that will fill up the first row completely. I'm going to grab some more premiums and we'll be right back. Alright, we're back with some more premiums. We have one of these Mustangs from a 2-pack of Mustangs Formula Drift last year. It's the same, not the same, but another Mustang. Then we have a premium Fast and Furious R33. We have a premium Gumball 3000 Pagani Huayra. We have the Boulevard Premium Koenigsegg Jira R. We had the same from Flag Day, Track Day, whatever it's called, that set with the bus that came with this Audi Sport Quattro thing that came with that. And along with that also came this Sauber Mercedes race car, looks like a Mazda 787B, and this actually has an opening back, so that's cool. Then we have another Jay Leno's Garage McLaren F1, so that's Jay Leno's also, the 300 SL. And then I do have this, which it is a premium, it has rubber tires. It is a Hot Wheels, an old Hot Wheels Woody, and the hood opens. And I don't know what this is, it might be an RLC or something, but it was gifted to me for my birthday. So on this top shelf, we're going to squeeze all my McLaren F1 GTRs and my McLaren F1s, and I will get back to you when that is finished. Alright, so we finished the top shelf, we have all the premiums here, and then it switches over to my McLaren F1 GTRs and F1s, and then on the very top I decided to put R34s, Mark IV Supras, 180SX, 300ZX, S13, and a Miata. So that is the entire top shelf, and we'll move down to these two shelves. I think we're going to do the bottom shelf as 2023 releases only, and then this middle shelf is just anything I want. So let's get right into that. Alright, well obviously I'm not showing you guys what's here, but we have a ton that we're going to unbox soon. So there's that, and that explains what we did with the shelf. So up here on the shelf, I just put some cars that I wanted to be up on here. This will probably change, or not, I don't really know. But this bottom one will definitely be changing, because this is going to be 2023 releases. And that pile that I just showed you that we're going to unbox is all 2023 releases. So we cannot fill this thing up to the top, or else we won't have any room for other ones. So also, by the way, here I didn't fill the very back section, like going sideways. I left that open since this is gonna probably change. But let's get the 2023 cars on there. Alright, well there you go, guys. I think I leaked a couple 2022 cars in there anyway. It's fine. But we're gonna leave it like that. Up here, we started putting more of my combis. We're gonna be putting more up there soon. We still have some to unbox. And then the premiums, the top shelf is also going to change because we have some more premiums to unbox. So we're going to leave it like this for now, but I hope you guys enjoyed. This was like a mini tour of some of my collection, I should say. A small percentage of my collection. Hope you guys liked it. This was super hard for me to make, so make sure to subscribe, like the video, share it, and keep collecting, and I will see you guys in the next one.